Friends, welcome to the online classes of my YouTube channel Educational Ways. So last time we have studied about the concept of remembering. So today's concept formation. Last time we have studied about the concept formation. Today we shall study the same chapter in learning and teaching. Subject is learning and teaching. So one thing you must remember. So, whenever a learning takes place, it requires certain circumstances, certain environmental conditions that are previously required in order to acquire certain learning experience. So, in order to make our learning process more fruitful, teachers make use of several things, several teaching learning materials, several stories, questions like this. So one thing you must remember, after the learning is complete, that means after the completion of learning, teacher wants to know to what extent students have acquired knowledge or acquired concepts. In order to do that, teachers put forward several questions which students are likely to answer. Some of the questions are there, a student has to memorize. Some of the questions are there, student has to explain, student has to analyze. Like this, today's topic is concept of memory. Today's topic is concept of memory, how students may use this memory. So today's topic is concept of memory. Concept of memory. So memory means revival. Memory means revival of things what is in one's mind. Okay, a number of things are there which are temporarily stored in our mind. So we have to revive that type of memory, revive that type of things from our mind. Some of the things are there that not has been erased, but that has been dropped from our mind, dropped from our consciousness. Some of the things are there that has been dropped from our consciousness, but that is within our memory. So within our memory. So memory means revival of that things, something that has happened, or it may include remembering of memory include remembering. What can one remember? Childhood, some of the past event. That event that has occurred in past, or you may say some of the facts, some of the events that occurred in our childhood. Like this, several educationists have given several definitions about memory. So let's read it. So according to Stotts, memory is the ideal revival of past experience as possible in the manner and order in which originally that has happened. Originally, how that event that has happened, to retrieve the things that has already happened originally, according to Stotts. Likewise, several psychologists have given several definitions of memory. Now let's go to stages of memory. pages of memory. First is registration or learning. Just a minute. Learning is the first step. It is the first step of memory. So in order to draw an impression, firstly learning plays an important role, because learning results or draws an impression. Learning draws an impression within our mind. This is also called as registration, because and learning depends upon several factors. Some of the factors are there which influences learning. Learning first chapter we have already studied. Some of the factors are there which influences learning. The factors are attitude, interest, method of teaching, environment also plays an important role. Likewise, several factors are there upon which learning depends. Attitude, for example, some of the people are there, some of the pupils are there who have the scientific attitude previously, then they will be more interested to learn science chapters. Because they have scientific attitudes, they have attitudes. Some of the pupils are there, they have attitude of invention or doing something new. Means they are more creative by nature. If they are more creative, they will be provided adequate or new things, the opportunities where they will be liable to do something new. That is here attitude. Then next is interest. We might have seen in cinema. Just remember, if you are not interested, अगर मेरे को गाने में इंटरेस्ट है, फिर भी मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मेरे को बोले नहीं, ऐसा क्या कर रहा है, तू डॉक्टर बनेगा. So tell me whether I will be interested or demoralized. Whether I will put forward myself or withdraw myself. Whether I will become straightforward or withdraw myself. Definitely that things plays an important role, that is interest. If you are not interested, then you will not learn. Then get bored. You will feel drowsy. And so consider the examples of backbenchers. While I have also studied, some of the backbenchers were there who were not at all interested to learn something. Rather, they disturb others. That is because they are not at all interested to learn. Next is method of teaching. This one is very important factors upon learning. Method of teaching is an important factor. Several topics are there which are made more interesting by applying varieties of method of teaching. A teacher, a good student having good academic career may or may not be a good teacher, because good teacher requires some content knowledge as well as professional skills. Here suppose you are pursuing B.Ed courses, that means here you are learning the method of teaching. That means you are acquiring the professional skills. Apart from your academic qualification, you are acquiring professional qualification. Method of teaching, then environment, learning environment, teaching learning materials, TLMs, learning environment. Next point would be also included teaching learning materials, TLMs, or it is also called teaching aids. Teaching aids are also important method of teaching aids are there. So this is all about your registration of learning. Next point is retention. You are not likely to simply learn the event or learn the chapter, rather you have to retain within your mind. Retention means the experience or impression left within our mind. That is retention. To have what extent we retain that same thing within our mind, that is called retention. Retention, to what extent we retain the same thing, we keep the same thing within us. Retention means keep within our mind, that is retention. In our class we have come across so many students who are slow learners but high retention capacities. They possess high retention capacity. Some of the people are there, they learn slowly but retain it forever. And again, some of the pupils are also there, they learn quickly but retain for smaller time. They learn then retain. Learn slowly, retain long time. Learn quickly, retain for short time. Learn quickly, retain for long time. Generally, this type of students, third category of students, and fourth category of students are also there. Learn slowly, retain for short time. They are slow learners. Third types of students are more preferred in a classroom because they are high achiever. They are bright students. Okay, this is about retention. Then recall. So whatever we learn or retain within us, while questions are asked, we have to recall it from our memory. So hence, recall means production of materials, concepts, what we learn. Whatever we have learned, we have to produce it before our teachers. That means it indicates reviving something, from our memory. reviving something from our memory. Recall also includes tracing, tracing the picture which originally tracing picture associated to our experience. Tracing the pictures which is associated to our past experience. Research is associated with several factors. First is frequency. Research is associated with frequency. Recent. Something has occurred recently. Span of time, duration, frequency. You can just think one thing. You can easily memorize the things which are occurring frequently, but it will be difficult to memorize that things which occurs rarely. That is depends upon frequency, recall. Then recently. The events which have occurred recently can be easily memorized, easily remembered. That is recalled. Okay. Then recall is of two types. One is spontaneous recall and another is deliberate recall. The recall is spontaneous when effort is involved. Spontaneous recall when no special effort is, without any effort. Deliberate with effort. With effort. ओके, स्पॉन्टानियस अपने आप हो जाता है, स्पॉन्टानियस. देन नेक्स्ट इज रिकॉग्निशन. Recognition. So whenever any